All right, today come with me. I'm at Olympic Fly Museum. This is in Washington. Uh, Look at this aircraft. This one was manufactured in 1950s. As you can see there, that's an aircraft of 1950s. Goodness, God, look at that. 1950. How did it fly? How was it flying, guys? Where's the motor? How did it fly? How did it fly on the sky? So where's the engine now? I don't see the engine. I don't see the engine, guys. How this thing fly? What? Or was the engine supposed to be somewhere here? I got no idea. Okay, here we have our two choppers. Probably I think they are Bell helicopters or something like that, used by US. And float compartments. Look at that, it's huge, but currently is being used by kids, like they have cartoons and they have built staircase. See, amazing. So and, we can step in and see the interior. It's huge. It's like a storage compartment. The interior is usually huge. Oh god. Okay. I've never been inside a chopper. It feels very huge. Yeah. Okay. Seems like it does welcome for kids. Okay. Here we have a North American P-51. These are very common aircraft. It's a Mustang. This was used in 1945, produced in between 1948 to 1984. It's a very common aircraft. See how huge that is. See the landing gears. See the belly. It's very powerful. Long wings. Look at the size of that Mustang. Look at the wings. The wings are huge. That's the cockpit up there. It's a Mustang. 1948 all the way to 1984. That means it was a very reliable aircraft, produced for over 44 decades. Very reliable. Huge wings. See all that? Very powerful engines. Yeah. This is Olympic Flight Museum. You're in Washington, make this place one of your destination of choice. It's good, right? Let's see here. We have an engine here. I think it's one of the airplane's motor. So it's a Packard for this Mustang. This is the engine. It's massive. It's massive, guys. See, very durable motor, massive. See, massive engine, very massive. Iron blocks, everything, right? This is the thing that defies the law of gravity. Interesting. What else is here? Mostly display of various merchandise, various gears used by the military, and all kind of whatnot. You look at that world pump, right? Here we have what? We have the Midget Mustang MM1. This was designed in 1948, right? Uh, and it's a pretty little plane. Look at that little plane train. Air intakes, propellers, engine inside. Look at those beautiful landing gears. Looks so sexy. Looks so hot. My son always wants to say that he wants to be a captain or a pilot. Looks very simple settings inside. Yeah, look at that. Mustang 1, 1948 in marching. Looks so new, it's well kept, well restored. Yeah, yeah, a lot of stuff here that were used in World War One and World War Two. Probably those were binoculars. Some of the engine cooling systems. These are the stuff for Royal Air Force. That's a flight helmet there. Uniform by then for the captains and the series of various aircrafts that they were using. There's lots of info. You need to come to this place. Look at this other beautiful aircraft. This is even on display, and guess what? It's on sale. For sale, Christian Eagle. This was he's asking for 89,000. You bring your money right now, you fly out. Built in 1987. This thing is 39 years old. Look at the cuteness of the landing gears. 89,000. Propellers, good ones. Air intakes. It's working. It's working, guys. Yeah. 1989. Look at how beautiful this thing is. Even in Washington State, you need to visit all these places. Let's see the cockpit. Oh, it's a two-seater aircraft. It's a compartment for the first pilot and compartment for the second pilot. So basically, it has two-seater, and this place here is for storage. Pilot 1, pilot 2, pilot number 1. Okay, looks very nice. Christine Eagle. It's on sale. 89,000. If you've got 89,000 grand, come to Olympic Steering Museum. Now we have a very huge aircraft here. Huge one. Oh, look at this. What? Look at how look at how they carry drones. They carry bombs, drones, and everything. Massive landing gears. well restored. These are fuel tanks, and the wings, fuel tanks. Wow. Look at the weapons. Backup fuel tanks. Massive engines. The engines are at the back there. I think it's around two pilots. There's an ejection seat there with an ejection seat. Can I don't know. I don't know if I'm supposed to climb and see using that, but I think there are rules like do not touch most of the things. This was it's called Aero Albatros, 1984. Goodness God, see that? Huge. Look at that. Looks clean in here. Hello, massive. What do we have here? We have a HH43 Husky. Mustard, a layer breed. Huskies are dogs. This one was in United States Air Force in 1964. Chopper, huge one. Huge. Look at those blades. Look at the blades. Two blades. Massive blades. Oh, goodness God. Massive blades. Oh, goodness. It's huge, guys. Those braids, look at those braids. They spin, both of them at the same time, precisely without collision with each other. That's a very powerful force. Look at the setup of the cockpit. Look at the cockpit setup. Purely this is meant for war. Look at the controls down there, the instrumentation, the seats and everything. The seats looks very comfortable. He extinguishers, massive space here at the back. The space is massive. It's a rescue aircraft for United States Air Force. Whew. Look at the exhaust system, the engines. Somewhere high there. Oh God. Danger, exhaust, cause the force that they should emanate, that's coming from the two engines up there. Crazy. Wow, 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 wow. Massive aircraft. Simple landing gears. Simple. The engine compartment is up there. Them two motors, they are up there. Because inside is pure space rescue missions. Look at those aircraft seats. Do not sit on them, but you can see how they probably they have been used for several years. They are now in the museums. It's a massive chopper, right? Yeah, it's a massive chopper. And this is the exhaust system for that jet. We got a little cute airplane here. We got a little cute airplane called BD5J Acroster Jet. This one was made in which year? 1959. Oh god. 1959. A little tiny aircraft. Look at how that aircraft would enter through, terrorize the enemies. Coolness called. This little jet was used to act a movie that's being showcased there. Wow.
Careful, please. No, this is
Okay, some two more aircraft here are Balco. These two choppers were made in between 1958 to 1959. That it's yeah, looks good. These are the restoration team who have been able to make sure that we can enjoy the museum right now. Nice. And that's the cockpit setup of some of the copters. Two blades. Look at our engine setup. Amazing. Beautiful. There is an aircraft on the roof there. There is people there. Okay. Interesting. This is a Hill Hornet. That was in 19... When was this manufactured? I don't seem to see that. Used by USME. I don't see the year of manufacture, but that have been 1950s or something like that. Yeah. It was a very simple setup. The blades are there, the motor up there, safety in place, instrumentations, motor setup there. That's it. Okay. This is a motor for the helicopters. It's a V12 engine. So it's a wonderful place, but there's still more to visit. Looks nice. So finally, okay, that's it, guys. If you watch this video, please give me a subscription, give me a follow. You can comment and tell me what you enjoyed, what things you want me to record for you guys. Okay, give me a subscription. Okay, let me take you outside. All right.